Naomi Home presents the Resin Round Table Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. To get started, stretch the legs of the table and then pull the lock and hold in place. Proceed to align the lock into the hole until you hear it click in place. Now insert both legs onto the table by sliding them in. Then push down on the locks and gently slide down until they click in place. For when you want to store away your table, pull the lock and then pull up with the hand that's on the center tube. To remove the bottom portion of the legs, press in the buttons simultaneously on both of the legs for this section and remove. And there you have it. Your resin round table is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.